Here we are at the Hotel Leveque in Columbus, Ohio. This is a 1 king bedroom. When you walk in, you have storage here to your left. It contains drawers, places to hang your iron, your safe. And then we have the bathroom here behind us, with a separate water closet with a door that closes. Shower, also with a closing glass door. Makeup mirror, nice large sink and, basin. This is an adjoining room. We are not sharing the room next to us. Here you have your coffee and tea station, as well as your mini bar items. Down here is the mini fridge. And your television on the wall here. Views and your king-size bed. This will be our home for the next 2 days as we're celebrating Jim's 50th birthday.